Well, good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie, and we are back in the shed. I had this light out. See, I had this light out while I've been taking photos of these sports things. I'm actually not even done yet. I'm mostly done. I've got like, I don't know, 7 or 8 left. And then a few of these loose ones here. Octagon girls and whatnot. Oh, there's a Danica Patrick. So, anyways, let's pull a few eBay orders. Sold some stuff on eBay yesterday. First up is a video game. Soul Calibur 3 for PS2, Black Label. Okay. Soul Calibur 3, PS2. Soul Calibur 3, PS2. Here we go. These games are selling well. Very happy with these results. Let's see. There's another Soul Calibur, but that's a 2. Okay. So anyways, got, how much? I could just tell you to look at the screen, huh? $9.99 plus shipping on top for that. All right, next up, I sold another lot of audiobooks, this time to a viewer named Kathy. Let's see. Should be, it's this stack right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Was it 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's another one. 8, 9, 10. There we go. So anyways, sold this stack of audiobooks to Kathy for $26.99 plus shipping on top. Thank you very much, Kathy. I hope you enjoy the books. This should be quite a few hours of listening. But yeah, I think I've got like, what, maybe 30 of these things left now, or less, 25 or something. Another video game going out. It's Dead or Alive 5 for Xbox 360. Do I have it? I do. I have it right here. Love seeing these games disappear. Dead or Alive 5 for Xbox 360. This sold for $7.99. Going out to Joe. Joe, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoy. All right, I went ahead and got these 2 photos out that I sold. This one sold to Jade. This is a Mariano Rivera Steiner signed photograph. This sold for $1.99 plus shipping on top. So thank you very much, Jade. Really appreciate it. I hope you love the photo. And then the other photo that I sold is this Tiffany Taylor Miss November 1998. So Tiffany, I guess, is about my age at this point. This sold for $19.99 plus shipping on top. All right, I just grabbed these from up on top of one of the big metal shelves. I think, yep, this is the right ones. This is a lot of 20 Quantum Leap fanzines. And I had them listed, I think, for $90 for the 20. And somebody offered me $75, and I about broke my finger hitting accept. And they paid pretty quickly, so probably a good deal for them. These things were printed in extremely short runs. Like maybe 1,000 or something, or less sometimes. So anyway, hopefully they enjoy them. $75 plus shipping. They're going to go media rate. And yeah, I'm almost done with fanzines. I had so many. I bought hundreds of fanzines a while back. Made great money. This is the last box of fanzines I have right here. So thrilled with that sale. All right, I sold something on my other account. A game for $2.99 plus shipping. One of the games I listed on my second account when I first started it. It's a UFC Undisputed. And man, I hope I have it. I don't see it right there right away. It's not going to be down here, I don't think. It could. Oh, wait, it's right here. Okay, good. Thank goodness. I was afraid, like, this is one of the ones I listed when I was trying to like build feedback or something on that account. or it might have been from the 30-day challenge that I never complete. I can't remember. But anyways, this is going out to Tony. So Tony, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the game. Okay, packages are gone, and now I am on my way to make a buy from my guy, or to try to make a buy. I don't want to spoil what it is, I guess, in this video. The actual video of the buy will be on Garage Flip's channel, which is linked down below. That's my other channel if y'all haven't heard of it before. Most of y'all probably have. Wish me luck. Hopefully I get some good stuff here. All right, let's do a little Q&A here. First one, DMV Thug Watcher. Is it too late to start an eBay YouTube channel in 2020? I don't think so. Like, I was just talking about this earlier with a friend. How, yeah, there's a lot of YouTube channels out there now, especially like in the eBay, Amazon reseller genre. But I think the number of viewers has increased at either the same or a greater rate. There's like plenty of views to go around, and yeah, I mean, just best thing you can do is throw some videos up, try it out. If you have a little talent, you can make it. Like, I've seen people that started channels up like a year ago that, you know, have 20, 30,000 subs already. So no, I don't think it's too late at all. I think YouTube in general still has a lot of room to grow. So no, give it a shot, man. All right, here's one from B-Man123. It's not a question, it's a comment. I'm getting burned out on lowball offers. Thinking about just switching to buy it now only. People are insane sometimes. Well, you know what? That's the cool thing about eBay. Like, there are some things you have to do, but turning offers on is one you don't have to do. If you want offers on, turn them on. If you don't want offers on, turn them off. Now, what you might have to do is, if you used to price your stuff a little higher, anticipating getting offers and taking a little less, you may have to set your price point a little bit lower since you're not entertaining offers. That's the only thing I would say. But yeah, man, you have the freedom to do that if you want. You also have the freedom to change your handling time, take your photos how you want to, for the most part. Like, you have that's one thing that's kind of cool about eBay. You can do what you like in a lot of cases. In some cases you can't, but yeah, try not offering best offer. See how you like it. If you feel like you're missing out on a lot of sales and you want to turn it back on, well, you can do that too. You can always change your mind. So here's a good question from Mods IT. When starting a new store, what's a good feedback score to have before you start listing your higher dollar items? I started a second store about a year ago and have been selling cheap video games in it to build it up, but no one leaves feedback anymore. That's a really good point. I've tried selling video games to build store feedback up, and yeah, video games on one hand, the reasoning is they sell fast. You know, like, you can get a high volume of sales. Here's the problem with video games. These are, I don't want to single any group of people out, but it's younger people, and they don't care about leaving feedback. They don't care. So your feedback percentage on video games is much lower than it would be on like some antique thing or something, or probably clothing even. It's just the feedback percentage is bad on video games. But to answer your question, I don't know. 20, 30, and then you start trying. I mean, at some point you just got to sell the stuff, right? I don't know what kind of higher dollar means to you. I think as long as you don't have any negatives and you have 20, 30 feedback from selling, I think you should be good to go. Like, when I buy on eBay, I'm typically pretty confident that if something goes wrong, eBay has my back. So I do pay attention to feedback, but I don't worry about it too much because of how seller friendly the rules are there. Like, that actually works in your benefit this time. So that's my opinion. Check the comments though. There might be some more opinions down below. Okay, this is a funny question here from Bobman. A question about your thermal printer. A while back you mentioned about the printing disappearing on the paper when placing tape over the printing. Since you mentioned it back then, I've read that it was just a myth and should not fade from putting tape over it. Have you tried it again to see if it happens? Well, It's not a myth, because I had it, like, I've seen it happen. Like, I was laughing at that. Oh, it's just a myth. Well, it says it on the internet, so it must be true. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll print a duplicate label right now for something that went out today. I'll put some tape on it, and we'll see by the end of the video if it's fading away or not. You know, let me pull something up. Okay, I'm printing a label up right now. And then I'm gonna just show y'all the, so I'll just fold it up to where you can just see, like, okay, there you can see this label, it's perfectly good. There's nothing wrong with it, right? Let me grab some tape. All right, I grabbed some tape. I taped over the label, and we'll come back and look at it here in about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. Or maybe we'll look at it tomorrow. I'll see if it's activated or whatever within the next 30 minutes. Okay, this one is from Chaz. How many listings would you say you have throughout all your stores? Okay, I have like 576 on my main store, 130 on my second store, and I don't know, like 10 on the third store. So pretty much the lowest levels I've had in a while. I used to have, before fourth quarter, I had over 800 just on my main store. Now I have 700 across all three. So it should start coming up pretty soon now, though. It should start growing. I have been listing a lot of stuff that's been selling pretty quick too. Which is a good thing. That's not a bad thing. Like, I'm not into trying to grow the inventory number. I'm into actually selling stuff. But I should probably have a few more listings active just to kind of stabilize sales. Okay, here's a question from the dude. How difficult is it not to become attached to the items you have in your possession? I.e., how often do you keep stuff for yourself? Oh, and then he asks, how is that how you acquire the Not a Surf item near the door? No, I actually ordered that little Not a Surf. That's a little poster. I think it's got something on the back too. But when I was younger, I really liked this album a lot. I still do. What's on the back of it? Oh, Not a Surf featuring Popular Sleep, Zen Brain. Yeah, I really just liked that album a lot when I was younger. So I found that on eBay, and I spent, I don't know how much. It wasn't a whole lot. It's just a small square poster. But in general, though, I find one thing that helps as far as items that I really like is I have the photos, and more importantly, I have these videos that I make that kind of capture them. And then once you have that, you don't really need the item anymore. Like, I could just watch it on video or whatever if I want to. I don't do that kind of stuff very often, but I feel like once I have it in my possession, take some photos, take the video, I feel like that's it. Like, that's all I need from that item, because I don't need a lot of stuff. Okay, if I didn't put the clip of that label in by now, looking at the after of it, then we'll come back to it on the next video. So anyway, y'all have a great weekend. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all again soon. Bye-bye.